You can't come and see man.
I'm gonna pick up your hospital, let me come from too.
Bobby, I killer.
Big enough folks. Hold him, you know.
No, that's how we about 90 pounds.
90 pounds. Carry him come down, in dead yet?
Hold him, man. Hold him, man. You can't come and see him, man.
Hold him up, man.
Big brother.
Yeah, man.
More shot.
You want to see what the fight thing now, but taking time and kill him.
I go in at this.
That's about 90 pounds.
Big man. No, sir, not listen. I wonder why you did that just so long. I want to line taking a $200. Yo, make come here, Johnny. Try. Yes, I got to touch him. Yes, I got to touch him.
You grab what not good?
Big fish. So I said, it's going to float him. What me in kill? And shoot me and chill. If I don't go chill, can't move again.
Tarpon.
Team I go fishing up people. You see me? Some night fishing, you see me?
So I go on.
Yeah, man.
Active.
Walks, you know.
Out there.
Explore, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. It's wicked vlog, you know.
See that?
And the fisherman, you know. Yeah, man. See beta people, we can't complain tonight, you know. See beta. Yes, my people, we're out on the seaside in the night, you know. I want to say welcome back to the channel, you know, man. And tonight, me and DJ's wicked vlog explore Jamaica. Bad fisherman out here, people. Yeah, man, see all the man them go look stick and come back here, pot out here tonight, people. So, people, tonight I fishing, me say, you know, so. Me not go catch no bag of clip, but you go see where we catch it. Me I catch the rest of man them a catch fish. You go see where me catch same way to people. But I want to keep it locked, hit the subscription bell, people. When you subscribe, hit the notification bell, people. You see me? Yard and abroad, big up on yourself, man. Long time I don't see them hunting here, you know, people. Sicky did and so no ask you hunting, so no get hunting. So people keep it locked. Stay tuned. Epic night tonight. You hear? Bless up. Yeah, man, people, believe no, man. We out here from last night. You see me? Look there if you think a joke. Till this morning.
Nothing that good.
And guess how we go on with people? Nothing.
I didn't get the first bait from the lane. But we go side through and drop and bait come out.
People, man, them blaze a fire around this and guess what go on it? Nothing. But people, we not go in until something go on. You hear? So just go and stay tuned. You hear? Yeah, man. Yo, people, we out here from when? Great explore Jamaica, the way down there, so you know. Embarrassing, people. How that? One conga Tony, man. And a doctor that I come from, you know. Just get an injection. Yo, people, this a man not even crumbs in the kitchen. Not even a sprat. Yeah. Look how the man ride them bossy peeps. Yeah, man. Tell me, I tell you no people. But we out to see him, you know. If we don't get nothing day in our light till the morning again, you know. Yeah, man. About 6 o'clock, you know, done.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, about 6. And we out there from last night. You see me? Come! Fire catch! We want something to put on the fire! Yeah, man, it's Star Boy that in the people. One Conga Tony. And now one Rackines old butterfish. I done, you know, man. Yeah, man. Don't know, you know, people. Last night I come out with the intention of videoing, but lighting wasn't so properly, you know. But I have some clips soon in the morning, you know, you see me? And now the sun not set same way. To it early. I make you see what I go on the sea.
After.
Yeah, man. See it there? I know the sun not set. Yeah, man. Let's go and take a time and do the right thing, you know. But we out to see them when the people hope we can get a catch. I hope the fire still light up around there, so everything's still active, you know. Yeah.
Active. That's why I told you around the company.
I tell you, brother, one of the biggest fire I see. You see me?
Night till the morning, it's a blaze.
Since Key put on a bonfire, you know? But keep it locked. Top of the morning, the beautiful people. Here. Oh, God! Watch ya! Watch ya! Expensive fish! Bop, 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 bop! Ha! Bop, bop, bop! Yeah, we done broken ducks! Yeah! Wicked! Yo! We have for some bath!
Well, wonderful, wonderful.
Wonderful!
The morning,
They done do it!
Yes.
Yo, that! I curse that they done broken up, people!
Yeah, nice eating.
The smell fire sticking up, people! Expensive fish at the boy!
Oh, yeah, oh.
Yo! Flashing light! Yo, yeah, man, see Daniel just hook something, people, yeah, man. Curse, bro.
Yes, you are going, no joke. Stay tuned, morning light.
Yeah. They don't know about we out there same way. From last night the black up for fall, you know, but got the whole up in hand, so over time for shine. Cause we get the chance, you know. 10 pound. Yeah, man. Steady, you know. See general forward here, you know. Come in, 1, 2 roasters, brother.
See over here one night time, I'm fun up here and like something big get my fire.
Come in, what we see in our bucket.
What's it? Every time I look over here, man, I'm fast asleep too.
Yo, me see one big tail in that dog.
Yeah, I see. There's a big tail in there.
So one big tail in there, brother.
Oh, I know! Oh, I know! Yo, it's a dog goose.
Yeah. Peep, me I take a look in our boss bucket.
Me see pussy or so.
Yeah.
Me see pussy or so.
See cat.
Yo, what?
Watch it.
I'm catching him. Oh, but that's not catch him, man.
Hey.
Boy, hang on on the bucket.
Why? The boy going good.
You know, take turn over here. Oh, listen to me.
Watch a man, people. Jack. How was that? No soap fish that one there. You can't eat.
Wash him off in a sun when you have
You can't eat, man. The only thing you just slippery, you know.
You know how much of them me dash you? See what go on the people.
Lego no.
Hey, when you want to come over here, come get you and leave your bed.
Yeah, no,
Hey,
so we want to get Jamaica lifestyle block. So we want to say,
Yeah, man.
and I meet,
See, cat. Anger Tony. Yeah, see, grunt here, so.
yeah.
Soap fish here, so. And a nice blue runner here, so. Say, kid.
Where you going with, sir? Where you going with? Tell us that this man is a silent killer, you know. You don't got murder them in our life. You don't give me no signal.
No, man. As when me call you, one tanga to one, even for this man when me go around there, yes, when me go around there, sir. And this when me go around there, sir. When me go around there, me kill two.
Stop listen up in man's spot, man. Tell him to stop listen up in man's spot. so mad jaw where man I make them almost did it. From moonshine to sunshine, sun does a set people. Boy, give thanks to folks and catch your breakfast. Why? If we don't depend on wicked, we dead with our teeth, kin out here. Yeah.
That's wicked.
Oh, yo. Yo. When I tell man saying sorry, you not bringing fish gun, people. Yeah, boy.
They couldn't tell me don't shoot it.
Yo, me have to laugh, style. Watch a man. Yeah. Watch a. A chub. A Kanga Tony. Hey, fat enough. In fat enough. In fat, man.
Brought me ducks.
Yo, hold him up at the camera, see ya, man.
After.
Yo, see the people?
That is it. From last night till this morning, me catch one kangaroo, you see it?
Yeah. And 24 hours later.
A few hours later.
24 hours later, people. Yeah, man, nice kangaroo.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Well, at least my ball game starts, so me can hear it.
I mean, alone no strike since morning then.
Our friend.
Pilot. That can't talk, yes, sir. That can't talk, yes, sir. That look out. That look out, Sikim.
Them out that pilot for me shoot.
I eat that. Whenever I got no money, she's still my honey. Whoop, whoop. Aye. No talk of waters, my boy. Pass it. Switching. Yo. Catch up your sugar level in the car, I want you see. I know you're hungry. No bugs, yeah, wicked man, you know. There are no bugs. How do we wait till him dead? Why man, them bring all hookah tick. How are you name?
Grabber.
Graph or grabber?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, graph nothing to that. Why? Water they clean last night, could have died still, you know. Right now with a bossy. No landman couldn't talk to you now, you know. No landman with no bucket couldn't talk to him about. Folks here, your people them a check by here there, you know.
You hear that?
Man, I shy to him, man.
I don't want to know something, gents. And the first parrotfish me I catch from my line.
Yeah?
See that? First parrotfish.
Just come from history, man. And he's lovely, you know. Lovely, man.
No money.
Man, then get two parrot there, the people. Beautiful. Only thing I want is a yacht. Yeah, man. Cause folks not go on no boat, you know. Yo, folks not go on no boat, so you have to have a yacht. We're more solid. Yeah, man.
That nice aluminum one.
Oh, brother, the sea breeze here in your face out there. You have some big line sets off a marlin and something.
We're tight.
Brother.
Hey, boy.
Drop off. Can't drop my fish drop off. Hey, Jack. Boom. Oh, chub. Hey, boy.
Oh, trouble.
Hey, boy.
Oh, trouble.
Yeah. That is it. That is it. Hello, Nina, man. It's wicked. Let's go and cook, man. Don't worry yourself. Go and cook. Go and style up my shows, you know, man. Let's go and cook. You hear it's wicked? I take over a morning session. Here. When bite. Lobster or shrimp. That more know. I have to identify. Walk side. Yeah, man. Look at that, my people. Yeah, than a broad.
No.
Morning session, you know, man. You see it? Yeah, man. Activity all around the stadium. Fire catch up back. JJ and Small Jack Pilot. Yeah, man, welcome, man. Welcome. You have to welcome yourself with a pilot. Yeah, man. If you come here and you catch a pilot, you know, if you get one fish for 40 pounds, you know, graduate. You have to catch a pilot for graduate. You see me? You don't tell him. Have to catch a pilot for graduate. Yeah, man.
Boy.
Yeah. That's wicked, it don't look like in there nowhere for graduate, you know. Yes, my beautiful people, we're still out here in the morning. As I see, it's a bit windy. Still out here at try. We are do some cooking, you know, people, you see me? Yeah, man, we are doing quick cooking, some rice and fish, you see me? So, you know where you go, people, so. We out here from last night. It was a rough night. Never really go on last night. But now, like you explore Jamaica TV, I'm going good. You get what I say? He make a few nice sketch. You see what I say? Me and Jay over there, so. And in the morning before we strike, but you know, he go on good as well. He catch him first parrot pan online, you see it? So, congrats to the Dan. Come catch a pilot too. So, you know where you go, you see me? Yeah, man. Explore Jamaica TV over there, so. Yeah, man. Anytime I see him calm, you know something he might cook up around there. You know. Something how to die. Yeah, man, people. So remember, check out the general channel, is it? Explore Jamaica TV, you see me? DJ's wicked vlog down there, so I catch off a shark, you see me? Yeah, so when he come up back, we make him say a word or a few. Yeah, man. Yeah, so people just go and keep it locked, man, to the channel, man. People, remember, show some love, man. Like up the video, share the video, subscribe. You understand? Hit the notification bell. Yeah, man, so just go and keep it locked. Oh, Yes, people, so we almost out water's 12 hours. No, we not catch a whole heap of clip because at night, and you know what I say? But people, here everything go here now. Here everything go now. We are moved to our next location and then we head back out, you know. You see what I say, so just stay tuned. People so far on the 2 fish me catch, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. So tomorrow Sunday we are look the Sunday dinner, you know. Yeah, man. One day I can do it in an hour. Can do it in an hour. It's a I'm gonna pick up your hospital, let me come from too. You see me? Yo, sometimes some big fish supposed to just go over so, you know. Swim go up in that, you know. What? I take shame out of the way. As we read people, what that? Nice to cut and a shortage. Normal one. Kanga to one pretty there. Yeah, man, nice to cut Kanga to one people. When you say I feel them out there, sir? Wow. Like I saw we should have camp last night. Yeah, so a camping spot should have there. Jack! Hold him! But when them man a pick up something, you know, man. Real doctor patient. Real doctor patient, not tonight. Yo, look if he get no injection there. Look, gonna check him if he get no injection. That me I go do. What, chub? Eh? Parrot. Nice parrot that, brother. I feel them time, you know.
One more from them.
You want a nice man? Nice man.
Kill them all and done. Kill them all and done.
There's a bridge in that. Some man silent on a corner, so. Chub. I'ma move to rock. Big. Take him up, my boy. Yes, my boy. Whoa, you hold my line. Come like I me hook him. I me hook him, man. Yes, my boy. Yeah, man, nice chubby general holding on my dan. Yeah, man. I one of them me did hook then. Yeah, man, nice job, my boy. Yes, my boss. Oh. Eh? You get it? Eh? That look. I see sitting there catch one with there.
Yeah, the more.
This on? And jump off. Jano style. Jano. Eh? A chop man. To me see, you see me? And if a chop. Come on. Alright. Alright. How much that? One to pass him now, you know, JJ. One, you know. You know, so that me I take up for sure. Oh, you know, so my fish no come from doctor, you know. A college and university and work, my fish ma come from. Circle score. Chub again. Who trouble them?
Kill them out and done.
Yeah man, Explorer star the show as usual, you know, people. Well, give thanks, you know. Give her thanks. Yeah man. One more trouble come up, you know. One more chub. Yeah man. Why good half you go give me a 1 or a 2 pound one. Yeah man. Cause I tell you, my future no look good. Yes people. Boy, I have to give me a 1 or a 2 fish for. My future no look good. You know so I show me sitting the fly up. Oh, you know so I might come up. Yeah man. Beautifully. Ungo, yeah, Ungo pretty say your fisherman come from doctor done already, man. But now I get nothing more.
And then you watch it up on it and we dry it and you let it go enough and catch back.
I catch you back.
Come here. Come to me. I will set the record up there.
Nothing. Nothing. They have a sense of what go and bother man, you know. Can't come good at evening. Jack, I chop. You know, me kind of believe I chop a hungry thing I can't catch you now. The man skill for the chop them. Come like I put on the chop them, no? I wonder if I feel like the cat pants wicked. Then can't talk to you if I feel like it. The biggest fish that today ever go on your line. Yeah man, chub again. What this now? Me nah give him 1 inch to get to you, no, man. Yeah, man, I not tell you no, man, in set up, man. No, you know why you not catch none yet? You not ask me what to do. You hear when man catch female there, man say, yo, me watch those. Me watch those and go so boop. And start catch them on the jaw too, cause me as I saw you go, I'll chin see so too. So you have to watch me now. Alright, video me. And just and just watch when me do right through, see? Alright. You have to start from now, you know.
See that face right here?
See me, I tell you, man, just ask me what to do now, man. You know hard, you know, man. A good listener is a good learner, you know, man. And a good learner is a good earner. Where Mawa? Jack? Jack! Carry him up, nice one. Yo! You didn't hear a teacher, you know, my youth. You know, then tell me so when I learn the trade. What? Yo, man take off his shirt and me think me I say, yeah. Gone on la super scene. Oh, Dr. Fish. Nice size, Doctor, that in a boy. Folks, me I want that sitting there now, if I be it, I go use it for him. That sitting there.
No, man, I boil water with you.
Oh, think I be it, I catch this, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, that. Just that. You know? Plus them, yeah. Yeah, man, catch these people, the entire catch, you know. Good look. No joke. See me? You happy so far, the folks?
Yeah, man. Moon time, you know. They have press out and sleep. They can sit in the eye them door. And sleep. Whole night me up, you know, man. Now me eye they not shut, you know. I even bop. Me not bop them from yesterday.
What you say, General?
Yes. That is it. That is it, people.
Bro! Big fisherman! Hold on upon this.
You could have
What you say, Swicky?
people. They say it was not too bad, but we could have gone better. They say some excellent fish.
It epic, yes. But people, I say the fish out with stress I out. See them I me have run to. So you must know me at but catch you in another vlog. See? Yes man, it's gonna be nicer. That is it. Yeah man people, so I don't know. This is just a shortening from a video. So I'm gonna catch you when I do the cooking man. Here. Stay tuned my people. Heart I love. Yard and abroad. Big up.